Hello, welcome to Anita the Pedagogue channel. Today we want to discuss the poem Telephone Call by Fleur Adcock. Now let's move on to the themes. Let's begin with the theme illusion versus reality. Illusion contrasted with reality is portrayed in the poem as the callers, through their prank and mockery, encourage the speaker to tell them about her feelings about the top prize. This leaves the speaker with distorted thoughts using ellipses in line 11, where the speaker says, I said I can't believe it. And this demonstrates a state of illusion and hallucination. Again, the speaker's disbelief and astonishment highlights the theme of illusion versus reality. The initial excitement of winning £1 million, demonstrated by the human emotions displayed in line 19 and 20, where the speaker says, my throat's gone dry, my nose is tinkling, I think I'm going to sneeze or cry. At that point, they are in an illusion. And also, I feel the top of my head has floated off through the window, revolving like a flying saucer. All this shows that the speaker is in an illusion and challenges the speaker's perception of what is real and what is fantasy. In contrast, the speaker neglects reality, which is the fact that in line 26 and 27, she admits that I haven't bought a lottery ticket for years and years. So if she hasn't bought a lottery ticket for years and years, which is the reality, why did she get into the illusion where she gave way to her emotions to begin to feel she has won something when in reality she hasn't even bought any tickets? This displays the human nature of being in some sort of illusion when they engage in lottery and games with the hope of winning some free money. The poem's free verse form and conversational nature also emphasize the theme of reality, as the reader appreciates the experience of the speaker as a real telephone dialogue between two people. Let's move on to the theme trickery and manipulation. Adcock, through the various imagery, tone, and issues in the poem, demonstrates the trickery and manipulation of the telephone callers. The callers use exaggerations to describe the prize the speaker has won, the ultra super global special. This hyperbolic language demonstrates the callers wanted to make their announcement believable. Again, for a serious announcement that demanded the full attention of the speaker, the continuous laughter of the callers in line 8 and 29 suggests the trickery and false nature of their million prize announcement. The callers manipulate the speaker to reveal her thoughts, feelings, and emotions through caesura and questions in lines 10 and 13. Come on, now tell us, how does it feel? What else? Go on, tell us about it. So here, it is very manipulative. Their manipulation leads to the speaker allowing herself in an illusion and bewilderment for a prize she has doubts about. Again, the callers mock her when they say, relax now, have a little cry in line 25. This pressure of manipulation and trickery causes the speaker to lose hold of the facts. That is, I haven't bought a lottery ticket for years and years, just to accept and believe in the callers instead. The revelation of the company's operation for a retrospective chances model suggests a deceptive process which eventually leads the speaker to realize that the company and callers may be dishonest. In line 40, the speaker demands to see a check, but the callers reveal they don't deal in money. Clearly, they tricked the speaker because they compared her winning of the top prize to £1 million. Let's move on to the theme human emotions and disappointment. The speaker's fluctuating emotions, from excitement to skepticism to confusion, depicts an emotional roller coaster. The use of sensory imagery and the speaker's physical reactions intensify the theme of human turbulent emotions. My throat's gone dry, my nose is tinkling, I think I'm going to sneeze or cry. So these are all human emotions that are being displayed. The news of winning a lottery affect the speaker instantly, leaving her with less time to even process the facts of the issue. This reveals to the reader how vulnerable people can react when they receive exciting news even before verifying it. The theme of disappointment is evident when the speaker demands to see a check before she believes it. The callers suddenly feel disappointed as they exclaim, "Oh, there's no check." even though this seems ironic because they emphasize million to symbolize the price for the speaker. The speaker's description of the manner the call ended shows how disappointed she is in line 48, and the line went dead. The word dead shows the hopelessness the call has left the speaker, underscoring the theme of disappointment. Let's look at the theme desire, materialism versus experience. Human desire or materialism is portrayed in the poem when the speaker, without buying a lottery ticket, suddenly becomes excited about winning a lottery, leading her to hallucinate. When the callers ask, "What would you do with £1 million?" the speaker's either desire for money or greed takes over her mind. She begins to envisage having £1 million and becomes emotional. Human desire for money is juxtaposed with human experience, when at the end the callers ironically shift the initial money price to a realization that experiences and emotions, not money, are the true prices offered by the company. But the money, we don't deal in money. Experiences are what we deal in. This leads the reader to realize that the callers seek to give the speaker a memorable or lifetime experience and not money. This emphasizes that human experiences are more valuable than material wealth such as money. The moments of joys and heartfelt emotions of humans are more treasured than money. Now this brings us to the end of our lesson on the telephone call analysis. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. Until I come your way again, keep learning and be the best version of yourself.